Yo, stocks 5150. So we're gonna talk about it today. Well, first I want to say this. I got my fibs drawn out, right? And this is no lie. I had these drawn out from this morning, and I was like, okay, I should trade this range because this was this morning. I was like, I'll trade this range right here. This the bottom to this, and we went range bound all day. All day was Chop City. Then I YOLO'd and broke a rule. I played an earnings play. Nvidia's earnings started. And you can look over here. Nvidia's back at 195. They were at 180. So they jumped up. They gapped up $10. So tomorrow when the market opens up, people are going to be pretty happy, right? So that took off and I capitalized. I was in because I figured it would go back to the 50% from this move right here from where we were. I figured we would go from here, which is a little bit lower. I figured we would retrace this first drop. And we did. Bam. Look at that. So we had the 50%. Now what's going to happen is either it's November. I don't know. I don't think they're going to go back up to all-time highs right away. Still got 2 weeks. So I think that maybe they could either touch 68, 61, 60.61.8, 61.8. They could touch that, or they could take 50 and bring it back down and then take off. That would buy some time. Like do this tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah, so they could bring it back down for Thursday. Well, nah, that momentum is gonna keep going. So they'll probably touch 61.8, 0.618, touch 25,720 or something like that. Or maybe even hit up here. Maybe. I don't see it getting past 25,500. So maybe they hit that and then retrace, come back down to here, and then use this for a higher high. And we go on up. I mean, we got a lot of weight. We got to go up here. But we could do that in December. So that's what I'm thinking. But good day today. And tonight I've been trading the Asia session, so I got my $100 for today. And I could call it a day, really. Still trying to build it back up, step by step. Step by step. Let me see. Matter of fact, I should do well, that ain't been having that much volume on it, but let's see what it looks like. Yeah. Look at that. The 14 is down here. That gap, that's a crazy gap. That's probably gonna fill. I think that's gonna be a gap fill in the morning. Unless something happens overnight, like this trades and it manages to come up that 14. If not, it's gonna definitely fill that gap. At least come here. I could see that happening too. But let's see what we're looking like over here. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Look at that, all the way up. Really ain't much to trade because we just coasting on the 5 minute. We just coasting on the 48. Coasting, I mean on the 14. So let's see where we at. We got 439 and 426 for the low. All right, so we'll do this. We're gonna do a pullback 439, 426. We'll do a, I don't think it's one there. Here. All right. And we'll go 426. What is that? 426. Get that. Oh, I meant to get 439. Shoot. See how this one plays out. If it comes back and touches the, uh-oh, luck is making another push up. See. Comes back and touches. That's 414. 414. So should I put this at 420? Nah. She ain't gonna touch that. The bottom of the candle is 426. So yeah, right there. Let's do this. Let's just get in and get out. Get this right here. All right. Oh, it's running now. Look at that. Could have got my little $15. So we'll wait for the pullback on that. I don't know. With it going up this high, this might pull back to 416. Yeah, I might need to change that. Where is it at? Cancel all buys. Go ahead and do it. 437, 420. Right here, 416. 50 right there. So anyway, that's my play for right now, and we'll see how that works out, right? But yeah, that one's going against me. It's running up, which is cool. Guess I should have played the momentum. But that's where we at. Stocks 5150. Overall, pretty decent day. Uh Year to date, we're still down 9 now. Okay, not bad. That's crazy. Look at it. I was down 18 on that. Oh boy. So I've been chipping away, chipping away. And so here it shows we're down 9, down 3. All right. Tax write-offs. We ain't gonna be paying no taxes on this. You ain't gonna pay no taxes on what you ain't got, that's for sure. Shoot, boy. Wonder how that works with futures if I can write off all these losses. I think it's the same. Just write off this 3,000. And that I will do. Trust me. But good day though. Today was a good day. 975. One day at a time. One day at a time, one trade at a time, right? That's how we getting down. All right. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. And so am I. Not really, but I like to trade. Uh-oh. Look at it. That's crazy that ran like that. Should have went the other way. Yeah. Broke right up past that. I don't even know what that level is. That's probably just something I drew on there. Definitely didn't hold whatever it was. Yeah. Let's put this on the 4 hour. Let's see what it is. Uh, Over here. I'm going off of this move. Okay. Well, going off of this move, that's almost recaptured. That'll take us up into here. Probably bounce right there. So tomorrow we might get to 25, 795. I figure 300 points. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I definitely need a pullback. 35. I don't even know where I put my order in at. Think way down here. Yeah. 36. Why do I have 15 on there? I wonder. I mean, why do I think it's gonna go to 416? It says at 420. Maybe catch some on that on the 5 minute. If it comes back and touches the fit the 14. Let's see. We're watching to see. All right, yo. So both my trades hit tonight. Got the 121. Look at that. That was a nasty drop. Oh, look at that. That right there, that's gonna push. That's gonna go up. I wish I could have got in on that, but I wasn't here to pay attention. See what it looks like on the 5 minute. Eh, 5 minute, we still hugging the 14. That right there, though. Hmm. That's a bullish pin bar. I'm definitely done for the night, though. Uh, $40 a day. That's all I need. I'm well ahead on that. I don't want to be greedy, and I gotta go to sleep. So, what did I get over here? Yeah, 42. Nice, 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 nice. Look at that. There it is, pushing. Let's do one right quick. Ready? That's too tricky. Wait for the next. Wait for the next one. Let's see. We got 1 minute. See what this closes as before I go in. You got all this right here. That's scary. You see what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So it could easily drop, or it could push up. 1 minute. It's 10:49. Let's see if we get on the 10:50. Think it's gonna push up. Get three. All right. Look, right there on the edge. This is definitely gambling right here. We ain't gonna shoot for much. We'll just shoot for the top of this candle, which was 85. Mm, Looking kind of weak. We'll shoot. Yeah, it's looking 10 points. See if we can get 10 points. 10 points too much to ask for, you think? Could be, could be. Hold on, make a decision. Or get too late. 85 right here. Up 85. I'm not clicking the button. Whoa. Fuck. Now it made me short. This thing is. I definitely didn't mean to do that. I double clicked on it. That's happened twice tonight. I gotta pay attention. All right, get out right here at 82. See, now I'm in this. I didn't want to be in this. I see. I double clicked and then it made me be short. Shouldn't have did that. One click is all I need to do. That's what happens when you trade at night when you're sleepy. Yeah, I gotta go to bed. All right, let's get this 16 and get out. Thank you. Oh, $2 more. $2 more. Give me 200. Should I shoot again? Let's shoot one more time. One. What did I get? I got short. Short at 82. All I need is $2. Hey, hey, hey. Yay, yay. God is good, man. 200. All right, I'm going to bed. That was nice. I like that. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so tomorrow, wake up. We're gonna look at this on a 1 hour right quick. I expect tomorrow. Oh well, wait a minute. It's already at it. We at the 61.8 already. Oh, look at that. That's a bull flag. Yeah, it's definitely going up, yo. Hmm. Part of me wants to do another play, but 200 is enough, right? Yeah. Let's just go to sleep, go to bed, get some rest, come back, do it again tomorrow. Cause there'll be more money to be made tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? And the market might give it all up tomorrow. This might just be the Asia session getting it in. You know what I'm saying? So you might wake up tomorrow and we'll be back down. That's completely possible. Yeah, pulling back. All right, stocks 5150. We don't hit our positions and nice trade in the Asia session. 200 on the Asia session and 7 on the Nasdaq on the New York session. So we good to go. That's a total for today. That's what is that? 7 and 9. That's 9. Good to go. Got to be more. I got to stay consistent. This week I was pretty consistent so far. Like if I look, let's do 7 days. Past 7 days. Past 7 days, I've been pretty consistent. Yeah, I got a G. So been hitting it. Been hitting it, hitting it, hitting it, hitting it. Yep. We'll see what happens. Now that's not a good one right there at all. I want to say, was that today? Yes, it was. You see that? That was today. I had to trade back out of that too. I remember. Man, it's funny how these trades are going to. It's like songs. I'm like, oh wait, I remember that. That happened because of this at XYZ. But like I said, we got to get the big picture down. We got to get that there. That'd be crazy if I could pull this off by the end of the year. If I could pull back 10,000 off the end of the year, that'd be nice. Really, at 15, I'd go with that. So that still had me down on this contract. If I can pull this 15 back in the range, make that back, I'd be a bad boy. That's all I can say. That'll make me a bad boy. I'm gonna give it a shot, but I ain't gonna be YOLOing. Keeping it simple. Matter of fact, take that down to 2 so we can manage our risk. All right. This thing's jumping, yo. I want to go back in one more time, but I gotta go to sleep. All right, stocks 5150, yo. Stocks are crazy. We get ready to be out. Look, watch this. One more. One more. One more. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do 70, 75, right? Wait, 175. Oh, can we get it? All right, 175. So they'll probably go up to 178 or so. 175 down to what did it go to? It was down here. The low on this candle was low is 139. But we don't need that. We just need we get 40. Nice. Man, it's hard. Oh boy. All right, I gotta go to sleep. God is good. Thank you. Thank you for that. Peace.